All right, we got 10 seconds, guys. 10 seconds. Leave this candle to close over my red line. Once this closes, we will enter. Wow, it's gonna be good. All right, guys, I am buying in GBP CAD. I am buying GBP CAD. All right, I'm buying GBP CAD. Okay, stop loss in a minute. All right, guys, we got those two going. All right, again, 3 candles. If we are not in profit in 3 15-minute candles, say, hey, Siri, set my timer for 45 minutes. If you aren't in profit up here in 45 minutes, exit the trade. If you are, take it to TP or take it to your next exit. This trade is not supposed to pull down. This is a trend trade, so it's not supposed to pull all the way down here. All right, so our stop loss is not far. We got 21 pip stop loss for about a 42 pip move. So far, we got a total of like over 60 some pips on 2 moves. About 65 pips on 2 moves. So that's what you're looking for. Collect those pips. Pips turn into dollars. All right, we got those. All right, we'll look for one more. Might equal 100 pips today. Probably equal 100 pips, right? Look for a good move. See if you can get 100 pips on this session. 100 pips, 100 pip move. On Thursday, I'm gonna show you guys how to play binary off these EMAs on Thursday. So Thursday, I'm doing a class on how to play HFX off the EMAs. So if y'all interested, y'all play HFX. I play it once in a while, but Forex is my wave. And we'll go live a couple times. Go live a couple times with HFX. HFX can get boring to me though, just sitting there. I gotta wait till resets. And make sure you click the button on time. All right, G Swish looking gravy. G Swish looks gravy. All right, we look out on that. think. Hold on. Demetrius, what you think on this? What you think? Would you take this? Shoosh. I'm afraid of this right here. I will take this, guys, but this is what I'm afraid of right here. I'm afraid of this pull. That pull, but there's nothing saying to get out of this trade. On this time frame, nothing says get out. Everything says get in. Up to these highs up here. It's got some highs coming up. All right, guys, I'm going to be buying GBP CHF. GBP CHF. G Chef, G Chef. All right, so G Chef, same deal. 3 candles, not a profit. You exit on this. All right. Let me get your parameters. We got a better pullback already, so we're good. I risk only 1 to 2%, guys. 1 to 2%. Don't risk no more than 2% of your account. ISO candle 1, 2, 3. We're not up here. 3 candles. We exit. All right, gotta be up here. Not down here. Oh, let's check these other trades. See what they're doing. See what they're doing. GCAD. See what GCAD's doing. So I put this new app on my computer, this TradingView app. It is so slow. It could become running Zoom, but it's super slow. The regular Zoom just clicks on and off, on and off. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. What's wrong with this internet? My bad, my bad. Zoom connections, Zoom connections. How many of y'all, this is stress-free trading for y'all? You set a timer and you let it rock. This is stress-free right here. This is keep calm and trade right here. Set a timer, trade, and just chill. Just gotta wait a minute. That's all you gotta do is wait. All right, UJ looks good. We got one more candle. Next candle needs to be up here. So we got one more candle. Looking good so far. GCAD just down by the pip. G Chef just above entry. We got a little while, so we got a little while. Let it rock for a minute. Let's check, see what they got today on news, see what they got going on. I didn't even look at news, I just know it's coming. Come on every Tuesday. US has the inflation rate at 830. Nothing big on euro. Wow, this is the move right here. This is the move. 1, 2, 3, 4 folders, 830. 1630, so 430 as well. We're gonna move from that. Then your yen pairs, GBP. All right. So watch those 830s, guys. When you play 830, wait for it. Don't hop into the trades on 830. See what they want to do. They take off with it. How many of you guys know how to compound your account? I know at least two know how to. How many of you guys know how to compound your account? Yeah, Eastern time. Yep, I'm on Eastern time. I'm in South Carolina. Using that chart, yeah. Cool, cool, cool. Yeah, using that Forex compound chart, definitely. It's a patience game. I'm taking y'all mind off the trade, so y'all gotta be glued to your phone. Got in on UJ, GCAT, and G-Shift. If you got in, if you're trying to get in now, definitely late. But these are the 3 trades: UJ, GCAT, and G-Shift. Yeah, that G pod it's took off, man. That thing was legit. I seen that last night, and I was like, there ain't no way I'm not taking this trade. That G pod right here, this thing took off right here. They all took off except for GM, man. GM didn't want to cooperate. I was looking for NZD movement, but I don't know what happened to NZD, but this thing took off. It's right here. We got it down here. We took off 110 pips. Same thing with GJ. Same thing with GJ and same thing with gold. Gold took off too. EU, I'm looking at EU in a minute. I was just looking at EU. I was making sure nothing hit it for news. I'm gonna check it in a minute. GJ took off too, and gold is just dropped the drip. Gold is just dripping. That thing is just dripping. So everything did exactly what I wanted to do, except for GN, you know, and GN is just playing, just hanging me. But that's all right. 3 out of 1 is not bad, right? Nobody said you got to be 100% to be profitable. All right, so we got these 3 trades going. We're just waiting for these to. We got one more candle on UJ. UJ has one more candle. 1, 2. This is the decision candle. And 11 minutes and 22 seconds. If we are not in profit, we exit the trade. 11 minutes, 22 seconds. All right, so we are good to go right now. We looking real good. G Chef looking pretty good. So we're looking good. Same thing on this. All right, 3 candles. 1, 2. This is the second candle here. We got one more candle after this. And then GCAD. We got 1, 2. One more candle after this. We got to be up here. If not, it's going to range out or shift the other way. It'll do this right here. It'll play with you right here, play your entry, come back up to your entry, and then come back down. So we don't want that to happen. But we're taking off. You just want to take off. So EU, look at EU real fast. And then I'll show you guys the compound. Let's see what EU doing. Drip, drip, drip. Let's see. Oops. If you are in a buy, definitely get out of it. 100% get out of that buy. You got about 142 pip of a pullback coming if it continues. I wouldn't buy EU right now. I wouldn't buy it. Yeah, I 100% would not buy this. This is definitely a sell. 100%. So the next to 8:30, I would wait. I would wait to see what the inflation gives you. Y'all wait to see what the inflation gives you. If so, Yeah. Definitely, you in the right direction, 100%. That's exactly what I see. You definitely in the right direction. But at 8:30, this thing can come down to this level right here, depending on that policy. What they give out for that policy. This move is about 100 pips. Yeah, this is a 85 pip move at 8:30. If this thing goes the way it's supposed to be at 8:30, this thing's coming down this level and then down to this level. You got bank level 1 and bank level 2. So yeah, definitely stay in that cell. Definitely stay in that cell. I would stay in that cell. Take your profits at the next like the next 40 pips. Take some profits. Make it risk free because it can pull back on you. Just get ready to pull back. You just get ready to pull back right now. It's about to do this right here. It's about to do this. Come down right here. Let's get ready to come down and then pull back. Yeah, no problem, no problem. Yeah, you in the right direction. That's a good trade, man. That's a good trade. That's a really good trade. It's a really good trade. I'm gonna wait for this 4-hour candle to close. When this 4-hour candle closes, I'm gonna be in it myself. When this 4-hour candle closes, I'm gonna take off with it. So I got about 2.5 hours. As long as it closes the way I need it to close. So let's check. No problem, no problem. Let me see. So we got these trades going. UJ took off, which is good. All right, so let's go back over here. Let's see what we got going on. Oops, wrong one. Wrong list. All right, UJ looks good. All right, UJ is good so far. We're good. We are golden. We took off on UJ, guys. That's a good one. All right, now we gotta wait for these other two. Once UJ passes this, so I'll go back to her fast. Once UJ passes the A range high, it's gonna go. So once it passes the A range high, we're good to go. This is what the rejection was. So as long as it passes high, which is really bullish, it's good to go. Once it passes this, it's gonna take off. And we should be good to go up here for a while. GCAD still playing in that zone, so we just gotta be patient. 1, 2, we got 2 more candles. We got 10 minutes and 45 seconds on this. Or sorry, 25 minutes. All right, then we have G Chef still doing the same thing that GCAD's doing. So 1, 2, third candle. Third candle's gotta be up here. Very rare do my trades hit my stop loss. Very rare. My stop loss, my stops or my losses are single digits. Just hit me up, T. Hit me up on the Telegram. I'll give it to you. Yeah, very rare these trades hit my stop loss. We're looking at single digit losses, guys. 8, 9, 10 pips. I'm not looking for 25 pip losses. I'm looking for the big move because I know that my trading, that when I get into the direction, it's supposed to go in that direction based off of trend trade. These are all trend trades, playing with the trend. All right, so we got about 5 minutes, so we'll wait a minute. All right, so real quick, if you don't know about this, this is the Forex compound sheet or calculator. All right, so this is what you can do. You got a balance of, most people start off with like 300. Sometimes 300. Most people do 300. Some do 500. Let's say 300. Average purchase are 300, and you're looking for 60% a month. So trying to gain 60% a month on 12 months. So this is where everybody mess up at. They look at month 1, 2, and 3. All right. They see month 1, I'm supposed to make 480, but that's it. All right. They come to month 2. They're supposed to have their balance supposed to be at 768. They're like, yo, I'm not getting nowhere. And then month 3 starts to kick in. And now you got over a K. All right. This is where it starts to move. Now you got over a K. That means in 60%, that means on month 1, if you get $480 and you make it up to that amount in 2 weeks, then guess what? You're done trading for the month. Go educate, go study, go back test, go do charts, wait for the next month. Month 2, if you make this in about a week or 2, because your trade is getting real good, you're done. All right. Don't try to make it to 1,000. That's how you mess yourself up. It's all patience. All right. Month 5. This is where month 5 hits. So now you really got somewhere. Now you really got a nice trading account off of this number right here. For 1, 2, 3, 90 days, or sorry, 120 days. Going in from 120 days, now you got a really good trading account coming into month 5. Now you got to get 60% that month. 60% of this becomes this. Now you really got a good trading account. Now you're really moving. You're starting to see the progress. It's actually paying off. All right, let's go to month 8. Now month 8. Now you're really balling. All right, you just took 300 and you just turned it into this 60% a month. That's what human error. So 40 to 60% a month, that's 5% a day, 5% each trade day. All right, 5% each trade day, 60% a month just by compounding your account. Your yearly return, this is your yearly return. I've got students that do this already. They've already done this 3, 4, 5 times already. Just like this, compounding your account. All right, so how many of y'all don't want that account? If not, let me know. Give me that account. All right, so this is how that works. But when you're done with this number, you have to be done. You got to be done. All right. So you can't be going back into the market saying, yo, I need to get into the market. No, you're done. You made your salt. You made your 60%. I want you to ask somebody. All right. When y'all get off this call today, I want you to hit somebody up that you trade with. Say, yo, what was your percentage last month? What did you make? What was your percentage? Not how much money. What was your percentage last month? And what is your percentage daily? I can guarantee you they don't know, because everyone's thinking in dollars and not thinking in percentage. You must think in percentage. This is how you grow your account. Not that you take 5 trades a day, you're going to be a millionaire in 3 months. That is false. I can tell you from experience, that's false. All right. This compound works. All right. I've done it many times. My students have done it many times. That's why they trade lethal. That's why they trade to lethal. They don't care if they lose. They know they got 60% for the month to make. If they don't make it that month, guess what? They got the next month. They don't try to make 120% the next month because they didn't make it last month. They just make that 60% and they move on. All right, that's how that works. So I've dropped this in the chat. If you want to try to follow that, start out with 60%, 60% a month, 5% a day. You know, you only gotta be 37% profitable, all right, in the market to actually profit. So 37% profit, 37% to really have a good trading account. 37%. That's it. 37% gives you a good trading account. You only gotta be 37% profitable to profit in the market. That's it, 37%. So everybody say, oh, 95%, this is 95% accurate, it's 99% accurate. That's great. But what is your risk to reward for one? What's the risk to reward? Also, what is your win ratio? Like what is your percentage per on your pips? Are you just getting 10 pips and then you're winning? That's what you're counting winning, or are you just getting 20 pips and you're winning? Or are you actually following your strategy and taking it to an actual exit in the market? All right. Are you finding where the exit in the market is and actually getting out? Or are you just saying, all right, I'm 20 pips in or 10 pips in and I won my trade? Yeah, that'll give you 100%. That'll give you 100% for sure. All right. I think we all can get 10 pips and get that 10 times and say, yeah, we 100% for the day. But then we actually take it to our exit, take it to the actual turning point in the market. And that's how you want to trade. All right. You want to market your analysis. That's how you want to trade. So one more thing, let me show you what you do with 1,000. This is what 1,000 does. All right. I know people do 1,000. So that's what 1,000 does. I had to motivate y'all this morning. All right. This is what 1,000 does, guys. My students have done this many times. This is what 1,000 does. All right. This is a great number, but this is an even better number. 60%, that's an even better number. That's the number you want to be at monthly, 60%. If you don't make it, it's okay. Get within that 40 to 60, 37% to 60. That's what you want to be at. All right. So just a little sauce on y'all to try to motivate y'all to grow your accounts. 5% a day. Trade 3 days a week, 5% a day, you're good to go. All right, so it looks like I took y'all mind off those trades. How many of y'all are blue right now on everything except for GCAD? Everything except for GCAD. Type of 2 in the chat if you are blue, or type blue in the chat if you're blue on these trades, except for on GCAD. It's coming back to us. Good, good, good. All right, make sure you guys entered right. Make sure you guys are entering right. We should be good on these. Good, good, good. All right. As always, want to make sure you guys entered right. Entered right. That's all. That's how I know. Yeah, GCAT. Yeah, GCAT. Yeah, GP Paul hit TP. Yeah, just hit my TP. I just look. You know, sometimes when I look and then I'm like, yo, where my trade go? I'm like, oh, did it hit my stop loss? And I forget that my TP be hit sometimes. I be forgetting, like, oh yeah, my TP was right there. I'll be like, oh man, my trade go. I'll be scared to look sometimes. TP too. Yep. Go hit TP1. Yep. I'll be like, oh yeah, my TP right there. I forgot. I do so many exits. On Wednesday. I'll be teaching y'all exits. And I'll be exiting the market so quick and getting in. I'll be like, oh snap. I'll be forgetting that. Like, you know, sometimes I set it and forget it. So we're looking good on these. GCAD. Plain. It's ranging on us. It might range on us, guys. It might range. We'll see if we can get out of that. G Chef is looking good. G Chef looks good. So we got 1, 2. This is the third candle, needs to be up here. We should be good. We got 12 minutes. I'm gonna stay on these 12 minutes. Make sure G Chef, make sure you guys are good on this. Make sure nothing crazy happen. UJ is a risk-free trade, guys. Risk-free. Yeah. UJ is a risk-free trade. Take it to the exit. There should be, yeah, you guys should take off to the races on that. Once it passes that A range high, which is like 110, 100, and like 7 or 8, we should be good. Risk-free trading is what I like to do. Risk-free trading. Every time you can get your how you make it risk-free is if you don't know, make it risk-free. All right, let's do it on this one since this has already happened. All right, so this is hit TP. We're good to go. 110 pips. This thing took off. This was a good move. This is a great move. So say we are in profit, all right, and we want this trade still going, right? You take your entry or you take your stop loss and you put it 3 to 5 pips above your entry. The reason 3 to 5 pips is because everybody has a different broker and everybody's spread is different. So you want to be knocked out in profit, not knocked out of profit. So 3 to 5, 3 to 7 pips above your entry. So instead of your entry or instead of your stop loss being here, all right, your stop loss will be up here. This will be your entry. So if the market came back on you, it knocks you out in profit. You don't lose nothing. You took some money up here. All right. You took 80% or 90% of your money up here and it pulled back and it hit you out in profit. Either way, you made your money. Everybody got that? That's how you make your trade risk-free. That way you lose no money. Anytime you can get a trade risk-free, especially on something like gold, I always make gold risk-free. You want to make this risk-free because this thing pulls back and forth to your entry all day, back and forth to the entry all day. Same thing with gold. Soon as the gold hits like a TP1, so anytime there's a multiple TPs you send out, everybody sends a signal and there's multiple TPs. If it hits that first TP, make your risk trade free or make your trade risk free. All right, make it risk free and let it just ride. So take some money off the top. So close it and take some partial profits. And once you take partial profits, go ahead and make it risk free and just let it ride. But gold looking good though. Hope it hit TP2. Be nice. That thing dripping. G Chef looks golden. All right, so we're looking good on G Chef. You guys can take your money on G Chef if you want. You can take the money if you want, or you can let it go to the TP. But I want you to say you made it risk free on this session. All right. I like to lead this session. I'm not saying I like to lose. There's plenty of times we get smacked. There's times we go like 0-4. It's like, really? be the best setup in the world, and we go 0-4. It's like, are you kidding me? All right, we've been there before. It's okay. I'm playing the same pairs. Same pairs at a crazy lot size too. Lot sizes I never thought I'd play. That's okay. Y'all about to be there. Follow that compound sheet. I'm gonna drop in your chat for y'all. Germans a go. All right, so let's run through these one more time before we get off. We got UJ, risk-free trade. Take the money if you want. It's all good. All right, risk-free trade. Let that ride. GCAD still going. On GCAD, we have 8 minutes left on this. 1, 2, 3. So we have 8 minutes left on this. In 8 minutes, if you are not in profit, exit the trade. That doesn't mean like, oh, it's going to my entry. It's about to pull back up. No, exit the trade. This is like a 3-pip loss. All right, this is like 3 pips. Yeah, it's like 3 to 6 pips. So if it does pull down on you, all right, you have your stop loss, but 8 minutes. All right, we're not in profit. We got to exit. That's how it rules. That means that it's going to range out or it's going to shift and come back down to this aqua. All right, so that's 8 minutes on GCAT. Don't forget that. Tell Siri set your timer. And G-Chef is looking good, looking delicious. We got 8 minutes to this or 7 minutes to this candle closes. All right. So we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait about 7 minutes, see what this does. So we got both of these candles. So we're gonna wait about 7 minutes, see what's up. Hold on just a second, guys. Just a second. All right. How many guys enjoyed this session? How many guys enjoyed this session? Let's see. GCAD, 3 pips down there. Indeed. Bringing back the oldies. We used to do this every day. We used to do this, but sometimes you get so busy. You just gotta do it. You know, try to do this at least 3 days a week: Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, because this puts money in our pockets. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yes, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday puts money in our pockets. So that's what I would trade live on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, because I know that I can put money in your pockets on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I can't guarantee Monday. Monday, you gambling. Monday is a trade day. Friday is definitely a trap day. Monday and Fridays are trap days, man. You know, between this time of 2 a.m. and 10 a.m., I could trade. But those trap days, Monday and Fridays, I can't guarantee that. But Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, oh yeah, we can get some money. Those trap days, man. Those trap days they'll blow your account ASAP. I bet you if you ever blew your account, I guarantee it was on a Monday or a Friday. I guarantee it. Check if you ever blew your account. We've all blown accounts on this. If you ever blown your account, I guarantee it was on a Monday or a Friday. All right, guys. GCAT is looking good. That's why we were patient. That's why we were paid to wait 5 minutes. Come on, GCAT. Do your thing. That's why we were paid to wait. Yeah, it was Monday or Friday for sure. I'm telling you. Look, when I first got into this game, man, I was blowing accounts. And then when I was teaching you guys how not to blow accounts, and you guys was like, I haven't blown accounts since this and that. I was like, you're right, because I did all the blowing accounts for you. Blew like 30 accounts before I actually got this thing. I was donating my money to FX Choice. I started out with FX Choice. I literally was FX Choice. I was donating money every month. I was getting the money, making it, and I was donating it. And I was lying to my mentor saying, yeah, I'm smacking the market. And then he goes, let me see your trade journal and send me your trade history and send me your account. I was like, oh, okay. As you've seen on my statements, I was deposited, I was withdrawing, I was doing everything I wasn't supposed to be doing, trying to compound this account. I was doing everything but trying to grow it. And then once I tuned in, I stopped playing around. That's when it all took off. So definitely believing it. Definitely believe in Forex, guys. I trade stocks. We actually teach stocks. Curtis Smith, he teaches stocks. So he does teach a stocks class, how to invest on actual stock market, and it's put in the portfolio. So he's really good at that. But I trade stocks. I traded actually like this as well. I traded on what is called Trader to Be, and stocks is nowhere near as good as Forex. Like it takes me forever to gain a good dividend. I can gain, $60 on I can do like $2,000 in a day, but $2,000 on stocks, you're looking at like 7 months on a really good pair. I'm gonna get a really good stock. So that's on a really good stock, getting $2,000 back for the year. So I mean, it's a big deal. Yeah, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is where it's at. It's usually my trade days. I trade Monday. If I trade my own risk. Monday, I'll be in the market just scalping. All right, GCat, we got 3.5 minutes. What you gonna do for us? Let's see. All right, 3 minutes. Yeah, this is stress-free though. So we got 3 minutes. We got to be in profit. It's playing with our entry literally at a pip. Literally at a pip right now. And if your spread is good, you're a lucky one right now. My spread is good, but if your spread's good on this, you could be in profit on that pip. So somebody might be blue. Tell them to stay in the trade. And it'd be like that sometimes. There's times that my spread will not be, I won't be in profit, but somebody else will, just based off your broker. I use an unregulated broker. I don't use a regulated broker. Regulated broker likes to get you. So if GBP CAD goes into the profit, which is about to, right? All right, when GBP CAD goes into profit, if it does, all right, you're going to take it to an exit. So your exit is the KC. I'm not going to try to butcher your name, but is it Putney? Were you on my call yesterday for the KC? Were you on my call when you saw the exit, the KC? I taught a class yesterday and had exit. Okay, all right, cool, that's fine. So this thing's in profit, which is great. So now it take off, so we're good. So when this thing pulls back, when you're in the trade and it comes all the way up or it pulls back, you're in profit. So check this out. Let me try to find the actual. Let me zoom in for you. Hold on, let me zoom in for you. It's coming back into profit, which is great. So we got about a minute. So this thing goes into profit, right? All right. That means stay into the trade, stay in that trade. Now you're going to exit the trade when you see the opposite candle close over the red EMA. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a number because you might not have the EMAs on your chart, which is fine. I'm going to give you a actual number to exit the market. So as the trades move, guys, the EMAs move because they're exponentially moving. That's why they're EMAs, they're exponentially moving. So when the trades move, the EMAs are moving with it. All right. So I'm going to give you a number right here. If you don't have them on your right, fine. 1, 2, 3. We do single digit losses. I don't do that double digit stuff. I try not to. This is about 5 or 6, 7, about 8 pip right there. All right. Estimating it, that'll be there. Now, if you are in profit and you're not about 20 pips in profit. So we see this is about a 40 pip move up here. Are you red? 20 pip move, 20 pip move. All right, we are good, guys. We got 28 seconds staying this for trade. Trades are busting right now. Wow. First high is at 20 pips. All right. So take it to that first high up there, 20 pips. Hey, guys, at 20 pips, make this risk-free for sure. At 20 pips, make this risk-free. That's that first high because this can reject up here because this is rejection. Remember, all wicks matter. All wicks live matter. That's rejection. This thing come back and look what it did. It pulled back down, back to the entry. And it could do it again, pull back down to the entry and pull back up. So take some money up here, all right, and let it ride. So make it risk-free up there. So we're going to stay in this trade. We're going to stay in this trade. This is a good trade to stay in. We're in profit. We're good to go. All right, so take some money at 20 pips. All right, so if you are not in profit, all right, so you're in profit now, you're good to go. You're about a pip or 2 in profit. Okay, cool. So now you're good. So if this trade pulls back, all right, it pulls back and the red candle closes, I want you to put a line on your MT4, put a red line, put a horizontal line on your chart. All right, and I want you to put it at number 175,360. 175,360, 1.75360. I want you to put that horizontal line at 175,360. If the red candle closes over that line, I want you to exit. All right, I want you to exit. That's going to be the harsher loss. That's a 9 to 10 pip loss while you are already in profit. I'm only giving you that because you're going to move it up as the trade goes up. You're going to move it up some. You're going to follow the trade. So right now, 175,360 until I see what the thing comes up. Pulls up. Now that's going to be the stop loss for it. That's going to be your exit for that. That's going to be your exit. When this trade goes up a little further, write this number down. When this trade goes a little further, so you don't have to worry about when you're gonna exit. When it actually closes over 1.75395, you can exit that trade completely for sure too. So you got two of those. All right, two. I don't know what broker you're using. I don't know the spread. So the first one you can do 1.75360. All right, that's about 8 pips, and 1.75395 is about 4 to 5 or so. The reason I'm telling you those is because you probably don't have the red line, which is fine. All right, I don't have the red line, and that is our collapsing line. So when you're in profit and this trade starts coming down and it collapses over that red line, we actually exit the trade. All right, but I'm giving you a lower one just in case. I don't know what the broker is. Some broker has like some weird calculations. I get it. So I'm giving you 2 of them. All right, so you can draw 2 horizontal lines on there. All right, and you got 2 exits. You got the first exit or the second exit. You can exit really quick, or you can see if the trade wants to reject and pull back up for you. All right, so you got two of those exits. But right now you're looking good. So there you go. And as the trade moves up and it gets to 20 pips, guys, I want you to make it risk-free. That means put your stop loss in front of your entry and let it roll. Let it be. Let it take. You got an 0.5 on it. I want you to take a 0.3 off the top of that. Let the 0.2 run. You got a dollar lot size on it. I want you to take 80 cents per pip off the top of it and let the other 20 cents roll. Just like that. And that's how you maximize those gains and minimize your losses. But guess what, guys? We were in profit on all 3 of our trades. We killed these trades. We killed this morning. We are 3-0. 3-0 today. All right. So you can take your money now. You can let it go risk-free. All right. But you in profit. You could do what it do. All right. Don't let money go away from you. If you know your exits, take it. Trust your exits. If you want to try your exit that you learned yesterday, this is the perfect time to do it. You're already in profit. But I 100% make UJ risk-free. This thing is taking off. All right, this definitely take this trade. This thing is taking off to the races. It broke that A range high, so you know where I told you where it's going. It's taking off. So let it be. Appreciate it, T. Appreciate it. Yeah, I'll send you that recording. Just hit me up. I'll send you the recording. Guys, you guys have any questions? I'm gonna be teaching y'all what I looked at today called the sauce. All right, while we got 3 candle rule, I'm gonna be teaching that tonight. So if you guys don't have any calls tonight, you foundation crew, if y'all ain't got no calls tonight, definitely hop on. I'll be on at 8 p.m. Eastern. So if y'all got no call, y'all got no trainings tonight, I'll send it out. If you're free, hop on. All right, learn how to trade the sauce. Other than that, risk-free trading, and we are stress-free trading. So I'll probably see y'all. I might hop back on New York session, see what New York session is. I might be playing what is called the indices games. We play Nas 100 only, and we just playing Nas 100 only. Guys, I tell you, if you got a small account, don't play Nas, don't play US 30, don't play SPX, don't play German 30, don't play those. Don't kill your accounts for those. And when you compound your accounts, don't play those indices. If you want to play those indices, go make another account just for indices. All right, just for indices. Definitely don't. Don't play that and kill your account. Trust me. Don't kill your account. Why spend 2 weeks making 60% and you wasn't banking on making 60% to kill your 60% on just one trade? All right, so don't do that. Definitely, the whole game of this is to make money. We all in this to make money, and I'm gonna show you how to make money. Just gotta stick with it. That's all. I'm gonna show you things that nobody ever show you because I learned the hard way. And my mentor, He's the best, yo. My mentor is the best. So I learned from the best. He's one of the best in the Forex game. Well known, definitely good. So I appreciate y'all being on. All right. I want you guys, we're gonna have a blue party. Put the blue party song on for y'all. Put the blue party song on for y'all. Every time we get up in there, we have a blue party. Definitely type blue if you make some money. Type some blue if you made some money. We big blues. We big blues. Hitting TP. GA. Oh, the 110 pip move. Oh my gosh. The 110 pip move. TP. Gold. Oh my gosh. Look at gold. GJ. Woo. God, we big blue right now. Oh my. GN want to play. GN want to play. Look, somebody look at this. Somebody look at GN. Oh my gosh. GN, you playing too much. But guys, we green. We green. We big blues on this. Pow. I appreciate you guys being on. I'm going to see y'all today and see y'all tonight. Let me go find my account. I'll see y'all tonight. Y'all be blessed. I'll see y'all later on today. Protect those assets. I'm